So if you watched my last unboxing, you have seen this gorgeous pen kit that I got from Globleland. Here's some pens that I made the last time Globleland gave me one of these kits to work with. And I am going to create with you today some Halloween pens, and we could even make like fall pens or school pens with this collection as well, because it came with these gorgeous silicone toppers. But I really need to get some Halloween Happy Mail out, so I'm going to create with my Halloween stuff here. I have these fun charms that I have in this little kit. So let's start. I'm going to try actually a couple different choices. So I've got a witch and a hen and a fairy and a bat. There's some different sizes to experiment with. A cute owl. So it doesn't have to be Halloween. Oh, this one's good too. So, oh, even the skeleton might be good. I just want to dangle one off the top of this pen kit. So let's just start. I know you have to, yeah, screw it out from the base. You can do the top or the base. So I took it from the base, and we will start like that. Let's go with a, okay, well, I'm gonna put a jump ring. Here. I have pliers. You don't even really need pliers, but let's just split that. Let's start with this cute little skeleton. And we'll close that up. The last time I did this, I literally just put the jump ring in place here so that the dangle would hang off the top. And then maybe we'll do one of the spacers. Let's see what that's going to look like. We'll try a spacer. Kind of hold that in place. Then we'll go for black. All right. How's he doing there, our little skeleton guy? Yeah, he's pretty cute. I wonder if we should put another spacer. And then a white bead. Double colored bead. And pen bottom. There it is. See how that's gonna work. Ooh, there we go. We have a spooky pen. That's a nice spacing. So it's got this jump ring and it's hanging just off the edge, and you could actually even add some other things to that. Now I have these bulb pins in black. Let's just try something else. Let's look up these letters. Let's do B O O. So we want the word to read properly. We can go this way. nice thing about these letters, the O's can go either way. There we go. B. There, boo. So we could almost even clip this on here as well. And have that hang there. So we've got our little skeleton dangling and our little boo hanging off the top. And there we have made Halloween pen. Here we have E's. Ooh, there's stars and moons. That would be cool. Actually, do something like that. We could do eek. E. E. Okay. Just a couple more. Eek. So now that we've got that one done, why don't we try silver this time? I liked that size of jump ring. It didn't need to be that big, but actually it kind of worked out a nice size. Do we like the size of this charm off the top? It could be a different size. So if you're writing, it's like, would it be neat if there was a witch or the hand with eek? That's kind of good. You can almost maybe even do two. Let's do the hand. Maybe we'll do this colored one. So we're gonna unscrew from the base. We're going to open up our jump ring, put on our little hand. Close it back up. Put it in the top. Put in our spacer. That seemed to work well. Goes there. That holds it nicely. And then let's try the white bead. This time we'll go white. Keep the exact same size. And then we'll put on another one of these guys. Let's do the black this time. And then the two-tone. Look at how simple this is. Such a cute craft to make a really useful Happy Mail product. And that's like that. So now with the silver, we can get the eek. So fun. So we have boo and we have eek. It's nice with those little 3-letter Halloweeny words. That's fun. You could actually even make one with stars So we've got this fairy that we could do maybe with stars and moons and hearts. Actually, let's just do like a moon, star. I had made these before, and people had asked me how exactly I attached these charms. So I thought I would show really well this time exactly how to go about doing that. These red ones will be good for a Valentine's Day swap I have coming up. I like the idea of that. Okay, so I can actually even do purple. It's kind of a Halloween-y kind of color. Do white, keep the spacing the same because it seemed to work really well in this format. That's the thing, that you just have to find the exact number of right combination of pieces. Cute. I'm gonna have a hard time deciding which is my favorite. I love them. I really like that, there we go, small dangle off the side there. And I like the silver. Let's do that again. These bulb pins have been my favorite way of attaching things. They're just so versatile and useful. This one we don't have as much issue with making sure they're going the right way because they're just shapes. This one doesn't matter because it's not a word. So we can be free to just pin it in anyway. There we go. That is really cute off the top of that one. I love it. These are so great. Do you want to see what one of the ones would look like if we made it the way they intended as a school one? Let's try white, red, white. I haven't put any spacers in this at all. Just put it straight. And that seems to work like that. That's pretty cute. And you could actually even do a charm off the top. Why don't we do that? In here. Now that we know that spacing worked. You like the way that hangs? Yep. That. I have other charms. I could have done any number of different matching charms like hearts and things, but owl's kind of cute. And we'll do so here we have really cute heart, owl, apple, pen. So cute for the fall season. Just the same. I like that a lot. So there we go. So there are some of our pens. What do you think of how they turned out? Aren't those just so fun for this fall and Halloween season? I love the different combinations. Adding the words and the images and the hearts and everything is just super cute. which one is your favorite? I have to decide which ones to give to my pen pals now. And yeah, and I can still make more because I have lots of supplies, but you get the idea of how those work. Thank you so much for watching. If you are interested in any of these products, I will leave links down below for Globleland, as well as a discount code. If you are placing an order, you will have all that information in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.